U.S. banks are given regulatory green light to safekeep cryptocurrencies. I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Yes, I got more important info, not too many of you can stomach. Why is this important? If you've been outside lately, anywhere at maybe some drive-through windows at Hardee's and whatnot, or at the grocery store, you see a lot of signs, shortages of coins. And I can definitely vouch for this one, as I went through 6 or 7 different states driving just recently, and I've seen a lot of that. So I know it's happening. My mom told me in Indiana area at Walmart, she went in to buy some groceries, and she had to go through like 4 or 5 different cashiers finally, where they had some different way of transacting, because she only brought cash, so she wrote a check, I guess, or whatever she did. But the bottom line is, I keep hearing it. I heard it from my mother-in-law from down south. She said the same thing. It happened at one of the stores, clothing stores. She was going to pay for one of the items with cash, and they just basically said not even that they don't have exact change. They said they don't accept cash, so she just returned the item and left. This is important because you can just sense the rollout of some kind of digital dollar that's coming in. I think it's going to happen a lot sooner than a lot of people think. It might be before the election, but who knows? Sheeple will wait in line to give banks their keys, basically to hold their cryptos, because the banks will say, if you do that, I'll give you free lunch. You guys know there is no such thing as free lunch, and this is how they get you, right? It is very important, if any of you guys do own cryptos, to have it on a ledger. It's not on a regular exchange like, let's say, Gemini or Coinbase and whatnot. You got to make sure it's in your possession, just like hard tangible assets, gold and silver, in your possession, or you know exactly where it's at, that you can drive to it or walk to it and get it, okay? This is not crazy talk. In times like this, you got to have that. So I'm expecting from the government to issue their own digital currency, digital dollar, whatever they're going to call it. It's coming. Bitcoin has been doing really good for the last decade or so. They're just watching how people responded. They're just going to do their own thing. So watch out. For all of this, guys, be prepared and make sure whatever you own, for the most part, it's in your possession. I cannot repeat enough how important this is. When it comes to the stock market, Dow Jones Industrial Average closed, I believe, just over 130 points today. But the big move again was in gold stocks. EXK that I talked about Friday went up another 14% today. So it's been going up in double-digit percentage figures now since I mentioned it on Friday. Hopefully you guys listen. Hopefully you did something about it. Energy stock AMPY closed today at 33% in the green. I mentioned this one for a long time now. It had a really good sweet spot as well. Between $1, $1.50, $1.52, I've been taking profits, and then I called my entrance again on last Wednesday, and from that point on, this particular index, AMPY, has been doing crazy stuff, like 30% up, 10% down, back the next day to 15-20%. I mean, it was so easy to get in and get out and pull profits out of that one. USAS, another gold mine I like to keep now, is doing really well. When I started talking about it, it was about $2.50. Now it's approaching $3.60, so pretty big jump on that one. Like I mentioned again, EXK has been crushing it. I'm hoping for a big pullback here so I can get some more. I just don't know when it's coming, so I'm just kind of waiting. And I'm going to throw in another one for you right now. Again, this is just my opinion based on a lot of research. You can do whatever you want. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. It's called GSS, Golden Star Resources. Look it up and go from there. Okay? So that's my new pick, GSS. Besides that, God bless you all, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.